Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're just gonna do a chill get ready for me. I've got pictures to do later. My boyfriend's getting into photography and I'm kind of the guinea pig, which, you know what, fine by me. I'll take the pictures. Kind of doing like a rainbowy jacket and some blue sweater pants. So we're just gonna do pink blue eye look and then a neutral lip, and I'm obviously not doing any reviews because I'm just, you know, getting ready. So let's go ahead and get into the video. And while you're at it, go ahead, like, subscribe, do all that. You've gotten this far, so why not? I'm gonna be using for my eyes the Lunar Beauty Strawberry Dream palette. That's what it looks like. So pretty. And I haven't used this yet, but I think it's time. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyelids with my MAC Paint Hot. Y'all already know. And since I haven't used this before, I thought there's gonna be fallout, hence I'm doing my eye makeup first. Just gonna take a sponge over that side. Make sure it's all blended. And while I do my eyes, I'm gonna hit my face with a Hard Candy Hydrating Primer Mist. Just put some hydration back in my face since I have dry skin. And then I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Prime Serum. And then we'll do my eyes. Oh, oh, oh. I'm going to get my brush and blend that in my skin. Alright, eye time. Get a nice blending brush, and I'm going to go in with the shade Skyline. It's a crease color. Even when I'm down in the low, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter. Like I said, this isn't a review, but I obviously will say something's not right with it so far. So good. And since I'm not really reviewing it, I'm just going to do a quick eye look and I'll show you the shades that I'm doing. Just to show you sparkly ones and the glitter ones. So pretty. Alright, that's the finished eye. Until we do the bottom, obviously. I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye off the camera and I'll be right back. Alright, eyes are done. Let's go ahead and I'm going to throw on a little bit more of this hydrating spray and then we're going to go in with some foundation. I'm going to go in with the Milani Conceal Perfect 2-in-1 foundation in the shade Ivory. Since this one's a little thick, I like to use a foundation brush to spread it out, and then I'll go over it with a sponge. Go over, make sure everything's blended. there's a few little spots I want to conceal, so I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Hit those couple spots. Hide all my little breakout areas. I'm using this concealer because it's closer to my skin tone. That's why I'm not using something that's brightening and going to definitely show off those areas. Much better. And then I want to contour using the Ulta Beauty Cream Contour Kit. So I'm going to throw some of that on. Alright, and then for concealer, I'm going to take the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Cloud. And I didn't want to use this to cover up my Perfection because I use this as a highlighting shade. Just a little bit. Blend that out. Shadow there, so I'm going to take whatever left over on the foundation brush and clean that up. And then for powder for my under eyes, I'm going to use the Becca Hydra Mist. And I just use a brush for this. I love this powder. It definitely makes my under eyes look a million times better whenever I use it. And then for the rest of my face, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me powder. Take a big brush, sweep that around. For my bronzer, to set it, I'm going to use the Maybelline City Bronzer. Go in with the light hand since I did the cream contour. Just to set that cream in place. Do a little down the neck. Alright, and then for blush, I'm going to use my Anastasia Blush Trio in Pink Passion. And go ahead and mix these two shades. Love this blush. I'm going to go over my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. And for my highlight, I'm going to use ColourPop Exterior. Sponge to help blend that out a little bit. Oh, maybe I'll just use my finger just to blend it out a little bit better. Alright, and to finish the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and put some blue in my waterline. This is the Hard Candy Stroke of Gorgeous High Intensity Bright Liner in the shade Deep Sea. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that on my waterline.
I'm acting surprised, but I know I'm not over you.
Alright, now to finish the under eye, I'm going to go in with Blue Sky on the under eye. Smoke out the lash line with that. And then for the inner corner, I'm going to go ahead and go in with that blue diamond color. Just to get some purpley, kind of bluish reflect. A little bit of that in the inner corner. let's go ahead and do some mascara and brows quick. I'm gonna use the Lash Princess by Essence. I'm gonna do my brows with my Morphe Brow Pencil in Hazelnut. Y'all already know I love this pencil. Literally my favorite. Alright, now for the lips, I'm gonna line my lips with Morphe Backseat Love.
Isn't it time we go our separate ways? Not enough time, not enough time.
I'm gonna go in with the shade Karen by BH Cosmetics. And I think this one might be a little dark, so I'm gonna go in with the lighter shade afterwards. And then I'm gonna block some of the shade Martha, also by BH, just in the middle. And then I'm going to go in, after that dries a bit, with the Lunar Beauty Lip Gloss in the shade Enchantment. First, I'm going to spray my face with some setting spray. I'm going to actually go in with the Catrice Illuminating Prime and Fine. Love this stuff. Dry that a little bit. Alright, let's do some of this lip gloss. It's clear with some purpley, got like some purple, blue, pink. So it's kind of like my inner corner highlight. So I'm going to throw some of that on the lips. And this is the final look. What do you guys think? I think it turned out really good. I'm excited to take pictures in this look. I can't wait for them to turn out good. If they're done by the time I post this video, I'll post them up here. But yeah, that's the look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.